Hi everyone, it's Veronica with Herbivore Education, and I am so excited to share with you what I do to bring dewy moisture and instant glow to my skin with Orchid Facial Oil. This lush and exotic lightweight facial oil defends against free radicals, supports natural elasticity, and contains beneficial vitamins and fatty acids. Orchid is named for the orchid extract that it contains. This ingredient is a natural humectant that draws moisture to the skin and locks it in. With regular use, this daily facial oil targets dryness and the loss of firmness and elasticity. To use, I like to apply 4 to 6 drops morning and night to freshly cleansed and toned skin. Remember, gently press the oil into your skin, never tug. The camellia oil it contains is super lightweight and easily absorbs into the skin. It's also naturally rich in omega fatty acids 3 and 6. Pair with our rose quartz facial roller for an enhanced experience that supports lymphatic drainage and reduces the appearance of puffiness and wrinkles. Thank you all so much for being here and letting me share a little herbivore magic with you.